today we will see Google app script, access Google Sheets, Maps and Gmail in 4 lines of code. Okay, so let's see the overview. In this lab we will introduce to one of the easiest way to write code that accesses Google developer technologies, all by leveraging one of the mainstream web development language, that is JavaScript. Using Google Apps script, you write code to extract an addressing sitting in a cell in a Google Sheet, generate a Google map based on that address, and send a link to the map to yourself or a friend using Gmail. The best part is it's really take only 4 lines of code. Okay, so let's see the objective. So learn a bit about app script, enough to get you going. Create a new Google Sheet spreadsheet. Learn how to enter the script editor for any document. Edit app script code, save and run it. Use Gmail to see the fruits of your labor. Okay, so suggested experience here, that you should be experienced with basic JavaScript skill. Helpful, but it's not required. Okay, basic spreadsheet skill. Okay, so now we will set up the lab. So for setup we will click on the start lab. Now we will click on the open Google Sheet. It will enter the username. Click on next. Now we will enter the password. Click on I understand. Take a new blank spreadsheet. Okay, so let's see what is Google Apps script. Okay, so Google Apps script has a development environment that may be different from what you are used to. Okay, and app script application comes in one of the two form, that is bound, meaning it's forever and only tied to one Google document, that is doc, sheet, slides, site or form. Okay, and standalone means an independent script not bound to Google Sheet, docs, slides or forms file or Google sites. Okay, now the first task is we will create a new Google Sheet and enter a street address. Okay, so enter a street address in a new Google Sheet by following this instruction. Okay, so to create a new sheet, open Google Sheet. Okay, so on the blank spreadsheet, click into the first cell in the upper left hand corner, A1. It should be in column A and row 1. Okay, so enter an address in that cell. Pick any worldwide valid street address with a targeted location such as postal code or city and state/province. For example, 76 9th Ave, Newark. Okay, so we will take this only. So here we need to type. Okay, we will check our progress. It's completed. Now next task is open app script. Okay, so app script provide a code editor you use to create the sheet bound script. Okay, so from the top menu bar, select extension and app script. Okay, extension app script. this is our app script. Okay, let me check. So here the default function name is my function is automatically created for you and in the editor. Okay, and that's it, you are now ready to write your application. Okay, so third task is edit the template code. Okay, so the file code.js provides template code that doesn't do much. Copy the code below and paste it in the editor window to replace the template code. The update email your email will with lab provided user email. Okay, so we will use this. And in the email we will enter the email address provided in the lab. Okay, okay, to restrict this app to access only the sheet you are working with, and this info annotation as a file level comment for the peace of mind of your user only. So we can do this. Okay, so we have created a 4-line code. Okay, we have replaced our email id as well. Okay, so yeah, this showing red. So this means that we have edited the file which now needs to be saved, and you will see it every time you have unsave edit. Okay, so save and name your project, call it anything you like, for example hello maps, and save the file by clicking the save project icon. Okay, so let's take this name maps, we will give test map. Okay, save this. It's saved, so the icon is gone. Or alternatively we can use Ctrl plus S to save. Okay, now fourth task is run the Google Sheets, Maps and Gmail app. Okay, to run the app you created, so first, since the function was renamed to sendMap, select the function to run as a sendMap. Okay, click run in the code editor menu bar to run the sendMap function. Okay, so we will click on run. Review permission. Allow the permission. So execution started, execution completed. Okay, okay, so now we will click on the open Gmail button here. Okay, it's automatically enter the username. Click next. Yeah, this is the map we receive. Okay, great. See, this map we receive. Okay, with the address we provided. Okay, so now we will check the progress. Yeah, it will take some time. Okay, so it's just only 4 lines of code. We can access the 3 different Google product in a meaningful way. Okay, we'll check again. Yeah, it's completed. Awesome. Now fifth task is the app a detailed explanation. So now we will see what this function means. Okay, so our function name is send map. Okay, it has a variable as sheet. Okay, uh, spreadsheet app dot get active sheet. Get active sheet means a method that does exactly what it say it does. It return a handle to current sheet that is active in the user interface. Okay, so it will return the current active sheet. Okay, now using this address variable var address equal to sheet dot get range a1 dot get value. Now it will get the range means a1 cell we are using and get the value of that cell. Okay, now the third line variable map var stand for variable. Okay, variable map equal to map dot new static map dot add maker. In the bracket we are providing the address, so from here we are getting the address and this value we are passing here. Okay, so here um, it's connecting to map services via maps object. Maps object, as soon as you have access to map service, request that the new static map may be created via new static map. Okay, and you can put a pin drop onto the address you pulled from the sheet by using the app maker method. Okay, so the last line uses mail services via the Gmail app object and calling its send email method to send the email, which include both the text. Okay, this text and the map image as an attachment. So here we are passing the email and map and the image. Okay, so this is the subject of our email and the image we are providing. Okay, so this is all about the code that we written. So this is the 4 line of code using which we are able to send the email and send the email, access the sheet and the map. Okay, so it's done. So congratulations, you use the Google app script to write the code that accesses Google developer technologies to extract an address in Google Sheet, generate a Google map based on that address and send the map to an email recipient. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like this video, so please click on the like button, and if you have any suggestion, any question, so please put down your comment in the comment section. And if please share this channel with your friends and colleagues. So have a great day. Bye.